Hi, beautiful friend, and welcome to Eating Well with Muriel with a special Halloween edition today and a delicious taco dip. Let me show you how to make this healthy recipe. I'm gonna start by making the most delicious guacamole. Check it out. Okay, I'm gonna put my guacamole in the middle, the chips and all my ingredients around it, and show you how to make a beautiful sour cream spider web. Ooh, nice and flat, people. Do some good work around here. So I put my sour cream in a little bag to do my drawing because I'm a cordon bleu trained chef and so professional. But if you do not have a piping bag, you can use a lovely little Ziploc bag and make a tiny hole. Better to start small and not go over the top, okay? So I try my best with this spider, but if you're as good as I am, you might want to go to the market and get a little plastic one. It will work just fine. Thank you so much for watching Eating Well with Muriel today. See you next time.